We got the car job of the week, Chevy Traverse. This is the third one we've replaced control arms on in a week. After replacing lower control arm struts and sway bar links, it's towed way out this way and way out that way. It wasn't like that before, but now that we have tight parts, it's like that. Bushing was blown out, and these things were straight up rattling in this vehicle. Now, we don't do alignments here, but I'll get it close. We got our jam nut loose so that we can adjust the toe and get it close for the alignment shop. Fun little extra finds. Look at this sway bar bushing. Ugh. Come over to the back of the tire. I have no idea what this is about, but it's a back of a valve stem on a valve stem as a cap. We'll just put her right back where we found her. Texas vehicle, that's why it's so clean underneath of here. A treat to work on. Now let's show you how to adjust toe on this. Center tread to center tread with the level tape is about 69 inches. On the back, it was 66, so we're towed out quite a bit. All right, the tie rod is on the back of the steering knuckle. So after loosening, what are you doing, Sammy? After loosening this jam nut, if we turn this inner tie rod counterclockwise, it's going to give us more length going out, which is going to bring our toe in, and we'll do the same amount of spins on the left and right side, and it'll bring our toe in. So you see, as we turn this inner tie rod, we get a bigger gap here, which means it's coming out more. And this is a treat because it's a Texas vehicle. Just put the wrench right on it, easy. Don't have to put a long bar on it, nothing, just spinning like butter.
6.
All right, now let's come over to the other side and turn it the same amount of spins. Steering wheel is straight up in the vehicle. 3 full spins on each inner tie rod, and that brought us to 68 inches. We're getting closer in the right direction. We still got more spins to go. And I had an old timer working for me for a few years, and he did alignments for years and years. He could do them by eye pretty much, and he showed me a little trick with the profile of the tire in the air, steering wheel locked in the straight position. When you look at this tire, match up both sides of the front tire. See how they're in a straight line now? Not like this, like that. You should be able to see the rear tire slightly. So we got more to go. As we bring it in and match them up, then we'll see the rear tire like that slightly. That's how you know it's going to be close on this style of suspension. All right, I like where it's at now, close enough for the alignment shop. As we come and line up the profile of the front left tire, we're going to line those two up. We can barely see that rear tire past it, and that's going to be close enough for the alignment shop. If we would have drove this out with everything all towed out like this, once the weight of the suspension's on the ground, it's like this on both tires. They would have been fighting each other, screeching, pulling. But now, it's close enough. That's how you adjust them.